Come on, Dan. Matty, throw it.
I want to get closer.
I wasn't. I just throw my box
And
said,
sneak
"Throw it down."
around.
And he said, don't even go there. Oh, Kate didn't even get you in the head. Oh, Jack, have you put Ozzy out in this?
Well, James took Ozzy out this morning.
Really?
Yeah, he's gone to work.
Has he?
Yeah, I don't think he can get back.
No. Simon, my nephew, just driven down from Sheffield this morning. I can't believe it's actually so deep. Eh? We just never get it like this here, do we,
never.
Zoe?
It's lovely.
I mean, normally it's sort of, you know, an inch if we're lucky.
Let me just do this.
Last time when it had that little bit left open, we went up Newlands Corner. Jack! Cat wasn't impressed going out in this.
We're going to get a cat.
Oh, are you? Go on, play football with it in the park. We already get to that.
Yeah, I can see how deep it is, Steve.
Just under my neck.
You can't see the car tyres on my mum's car.
This is what it's like.
They're buried. And the number
Right,
plate.
next time she does that, Dan, jump on her head.
What?
Next time she does that, jump on her head.
Yeah, let's roll this! I think go like this with a roller! Leave it! Guys, get off! Get off! Let's walk around with this! Oh, you're just like... You cameraman!
It sounds like Harry Hill, but it's fight.
Yeah. Who's win between a rabbit and a toaster?
The Dalek or the snowman?
Oh, do you want me to find out? Fight!
You knock each other out with those. Don't go mad like camera. Ow. Like a lead. Only bounces. That's nice. Oh, little snowstorm.
Keep in, boys.
Stay there.
Oh, did you fall over?
Oh!
Says record when?
Says.
Yeah?
Yep.
Ah! Oh. Oh.
Again.
I've just got a text from Andy, he lives out at Wokingham, and he said, same as me, can't get in, can't get out of the house. I put, can't get out, stuck with kids, boo.
Well, we didn't know it for half, and we saw it last night, and you know, because they always probably get it like we never do.
There's loads of people can't get off the drive.
What's happened